Hello again to my YouTube channel. This is the road that all vegetable, all fruit in Davao near Masaysay Park, and I am with my wife. Oh, mangosteen! Wow! We will arrive there. We will come back to buy, and durian. Oh, bomale. And all it is durian, bomale, mangosteen. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, mangosteen. They are preparing the mangosteen. They will make it like necklace. Best. Here. Oh. My daughter. So, what? You will buy? Yeah?
We didn't ask them how much.
الحين
هذا مو اورنج ما
هنا ما في. وينه؟
تكفيلة
وينه؟ هاي نايم.
sleeping kuya. Tulog si kuya. Kuya is
How much, Bila?
$100 isa?
No, per kilo.
100 per kilo. Unsa na siya? Made in Davao? Made in
Sure.
Davao?
Sweet.
Sweet.
If you will open, if not sweet, if it is dry.
Open.
Yeah? Bila?
Kila kuya?
300? No. Less than 300. نحن إن how much?
120. Kada kabir. Balatan natin. Makain para makain.
But fresh or dry inside?
It's not dry. Made
in
Davao ni sa day? Yes po.
But if you open and it is dry,
Off you one. Okay. Para makatry sila. Okay. So that you can try.
one kilo. One is 1 kilo.
Gida. Pareho lang dito tayo sa dyan? Opo ma'am. 2 tables kasi dito ma'am. Ah, okay. Yeah, it's okay. Lai ka ng sa isa ka karton te.
Kuan siya ma'am, ilagay din natin siya sa kahon.
Ah, okay. Dili siya sa isa ka because I saw some.
Did you bring the plastic?
What do you have already?
For the
But hada mula sa mga plastic. Hada po plastic.
هذا وقتي ولا ايه؟
inside the carton.
Yes, we will put in a carton.
But
ma'am.
for
We
them-
will buy more than.
Right.
Mm.
How did that?
So, let you...
So we will buy that. To bring it in Bukidnon. You don't want, he said, la, sweet.
I don't like bomb.
And he don't eat. We love pomade.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Salamat eh.
Salamat sir.
Ngayon, kusot eh. Kaya ko natin ako. Ano po sa pati? Ilang kilo kuya? 350? 350 yung order.
Wala.
Nakita mo sa supermarket eh?
Good morning, Bella.
Pilang po ba ninyo te? Ah, isa pa.
Hmm?
Pila?
750.
Sa isa ka box, pila kas pila yung sulod?
Walo siya ma.
Walo siyam? Pero sure, sweet na siya?
Class A man to ma'am.
750 ba? It's better.
How many inside?
Pwede inside mostly like, pila ka sulod kaya?
8 to 9.
8 to 9 pieces.
8 to 9, 10.
Sure, not dry?
Sure, class A.
Kasi iya siya, kasi pala yun siya from the farm.
Yan ang ganyan, hindi na perfect na meron.
Last fixed price. Give me a discount.
Discount daw kuya.
Pila ka box din?
What?
Isa ka box ko. Makaon.
730 lang, sige, buhay na malo.
7.
700 kuya.
Okay?
Wala.
What wala?
Said
Yeah, no. What the difference between 730 to 700? 30 pesos.
Pay different. For them, pay different. Sige, sige kuya, puro pwede tanaw. Or maabrihan man lang isa ka buok.
Ito maliliit,
Oh, is maliliit.
pero malaki.
Malaki. Pwede mga dagko. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Pero pwede pa abrihan isa kuya para